Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm taking you to Hobby Lobby with me. I'm going to show you how I select items for my projects at a great price. I'm here also to get Mod Podge for photo transfer and also gesso for another project. Let's just browse the fall items and decorations for Thanksgiving. For the 4th of July, decorations, 40% off. But I don't know about this. I think I have a few things that I can repurpose at home. But I like to always look at this as ideas, inspirations. That's all it is. Oh my goodness, but these are so cute. Look at this. 4th of July. Gnomes, little doggies. So adorable. It's 40% off. They also have this kind, and I like how they're making this. Tempting. This is my favorite part. Home decor at 75% off. They're very good items and you can leave them as they are or you can repurpose them. The way to repurpose them is to change what's inside or on top. Like for example, this one, it's a block with already a design, but you can sand it off. It's only $2.49 and you can add your own design. This one's cute. Don't wake the bear. Same concept, you can sand off the wording and add your own design on top. You can paint it and then add whatever you want on top. It's like starting with a white canvas. So that's why I like this section, because sometimes you might not find what you want, but you can make it. And this is an easy also repurposing because it's just part of the frame or the artwork that has the wording, but it's too small. This is not what I'm looking for. Let me see this one. This is not a wood or anything like that. It's just a canvas, but you can also repurpose canvas. I'll let you know how to in one of my tutorials. This one caught my eye. I like the size of it. Maybe not the look that much. I'm not looking for farmhouse look, but it's a good find, a very nice size. And the same thing, you can keep the wording or you can add your own wording. What is this one? It's pretty heavy. Let me open it and show you what it is. Nice. But then again, I'm not looking for this in particular. I like this. It's two for the price of $3.74, which is great. And this is a big wood circle that I can repurpose easily for $4.99. I can sand it off, get rid of the wording and the imperfections. I'm definitely buying this one. I have something in mind. And this one's cute. It's a triangle for $4.74. This is beautiful and the wording is very nice. Then again, you can repurpose them. And this one I'm definitely having because it's 4th of July star. That's all I see. I can sand it off for $4.49 and I keep finding this one. You see, there's all kinds of frame and styles that you can leave them as they are or you can repurpose them. And this one is beautiful. I love this one. and it's only $7.49. I think I find more things this time. They even have lamps on sale, 75% off. Baskets, which are always good for storage. I really like this one for my yarn. What do you think? Let me see. It's only $7.49. I don't know. I already have baskets. Let's see what else. This one's awesome. Pray for America. I love it. And that's it. And finally, what I came for, the Mod Podge for photo transfer. Here it is, and I'm getting it.
One happy camper here. I can't wait to get home and show you what I got. I can't wait to show you what I got at Hobby Lobby. Unfortunately, I'm not going to go home and show you right away. I'm going to prepare the video later on this week because now I'm driving to go meet with my dad and his wife. They're visiting from Nicaragua. We're having lunch together. I'm excited to go see them. So I'm going to have to take a break on my video recordings, and I'll show you though. I'll show you what I got. I got a lot of good things, very good price. And what I'll try to do is when I show you what I got, I'm going to share with you what I have in mind to make. A lot of the things that I got are going to be for signage and things for my workshop space. So yes, stay tuned. Until later, goodbye. Okay, so as I promised, let me show you everything I got at Hobby Lobby. The first thing is a wall decor. It's 28 by 6 inches. It's a canvas. It's a pre-printed canvas. I'm not going to leave it as is. I'm going to repurpose it because that's the key. This is regular price $14.99, on sale $3.74. What I have in mind to do for this is paint over it. And I need to prepare it before I paint it, and I've got this acrylic gesso. It's kind of like putting an empty canvas on the canvas. So that's my idea. You'll see in another tutorial what I am envisioning for that. I also got this Twinkle Tinkle Little Star. It's a wood star, and it is the cutest thing. Regular price $17.99, and I got it for $4.49. And of course, I'm going to sand this over, and guess what? I'm gonna use it for 4th of July craft. So stay tuned. This is the next one. Okay, and this one here, this is 2-in-1. They're wood blocks. Let me open them so you can see. The regular price for this is $14.99, and I got it for $3.74. And these are blocks. I love these blocks. See? They're not solid, they're hollow, but it's okay. What I do with this, I sand them and I repurpose them. And I got all the ones that they had left because I love this, and it's hard to get them this size. So I got 3 more of these. The next one, I'm gonna leave the last one, the best one for last. So the next thing is this wood circle. So it's pretty big. It says, "Welcome to my crib." And of course, I'm gonna sand it and repurpose it. $4.99 for this huge circle. And it's solid wood, which is great. Okay? And the last one, the best one, I love it. This is, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. Regular price for this one, $29.99, and I got it for $7.49. This is a great thing, great gift. The colors are not what I think I'm going to keep, but you'll see. I will make it happen with my color scheme. And that's it. Oh no, I also got the gesso I told you, and also I got this. That's the reason why I went to Hobby Lobby. I went to get this Mod Podge photo transfer for my tutorial. Stay tuned because I'm going to keep working on delivering great tutorials for you to follow. Until next time. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time. Goodbye.